My name is Rachael Documentary. I am currently working toward a master's in strategic and corporate communication from Makerere University. In order to complete my course, I have been tasked to locate an existing knowledge and skill that is not yet documented but is nonetheless very important and beneficial to a community or even in an organization. I've been really interested in capturing the traditional bond setting techniques used by some communities in Lango, Teso, and some parts of Uganda. In this particular documentary, Mzee Celestine Opio, an 88-year-old traditional bonsetter from the Inomo clan of the Lango tribe in northern Uganda, is featured. It is thought among this community that bonesetting is a calling and a gift from God. Numerous patients who present with dislocations in particular have benefited from Celestine's bone-setting procedures for the past 7 decades. Most of the time, he sets bones to help members of his community who might not have enough money to spend on medical care. Celestine prefers to bone set freely but accepts rewards from the patients he successfully heals, since he feels that setting bones is a God-given gift that is unique to his clan, the Inomo. Prior to the procedure, Celestine diagnoses his patients by simply using his hands to feel the affected area to check that the bone is not fractured. If it is, he then refers the patients to the healthcare facility for the necessary management, because he says he is not professionally trained to handle broken bones. I have dealt with both fractures and dislocations, and I can determine when a bone is broken and needs medical attention. Only displaced bones are realigned. We do not repair fractures, Celestine emphasized. When asked how he learned to set bones, Celestine said that when he was a child, roughly 15 years old, he closely observed his father working on dislocations. He described how his father obtained spear grass, a type of grass commonly used for roofing structures in the villages. His father specifically selected a small portion from the front side of the house, burnt it to ashes, added some oil to it, and repeatedly rubbed on the dislocated bones for about 15 to 30 minutes. Depending on the severity of the dislocation, this procedure lasts for around 3 to 4 days, after which the patient recovers. He is unsure as to whether anyone outside the Inomo clan can properly execute bone setting, because he believes we are all gifted differently with unique talents. Although Celestine lacks detailed answers for how and why his clan executes bone settings in the manner that they do, he believes that they are a clan gifted with the ability, which has contributed to the development of his bone setting talent. Celestine witnessed his ancestors placing bones and has continued and carried on the process till date. Thank you.